It's a digital health company for women in midlife and menopause. So you see women's health innovation happening across, I think, the digital health space, but very little focus on women 40 plus. There's 50 million women today in the United States that enter menopause. So how many of you have a woman in your life you care about? Okay, she's gonna go or has already gone through menopause, and it's probably something she's not gonna talk about. There's a big stigma. And so what Genneve does is we provide content, products, and telehealth services to women so that they can get the questions answered that they need, they can understand what's happening in their bodies, and they can find relief from the symptoms that they're experiencing. It's a big market. Women control 80% of all healthcare spending, and so we're going after a group of women that have been underserved for a long time. Our technology in serving this up is a machine learning-based menopause assessment where a woman inputs or takes an assessment, gets a health profile of what's going on in her body, and then receives personalized content and resources associated with those symptoms. In November, we're launching telehealth as well. There's a huge accessibility gap today in women finding healthcare or access to specifically OBGYNs and nurse practitioners who have experience in this part of women's health. And so we're closing that gap by bringing greater access to women in this space. We're interviewing physicians and nurse practitioners now. It's been pretty exciting. And out of the 50 million women in the US, we have about 25,000 users. We've been around for 2 years. And as a side gig, to help really fund the business, we sell also a line of feminine care products because it just helps fund us and keep us going. I myself, my background is tech. I was at Microsoft for 15 years. Our Director of Health is an OBGYN, Dr. Rebecca Dunsmore-Sue. Our CTO and Technology Advisor is a colleague of mine from Microsoft, Michael Latala. And I've got a small part-time software development team on the East Coast that works in health tech, helping us out. And last but not least, our Director of Marketing and Content, Shannon Perry, focuses on working with our network of 185 health providers today, publishing content, and that's what's driven our audience growth. Thank you.